Let's make butter. All you gotta do is add cream into a mason jar about halfway up and make sure you're using something really fatty. This is about 36% whipping cream. Close the top and just start shaking. I remember doing this in elementary school. I forgot which grade, but it was when we were learning all about the Amish people and how they don't use electricity and how they make their own butter.
A few moments later.
And after about 8 minutes, you'll notice that you don't really hear a lot of liquid in here. And that's because you basically made whipped cream, but this is not butter yet. So we gotta keep shaking.
1 minute later.
And then after a couple of more minutes, you'll begin to hear something hit the sides of the jar. And that's basically the milk solids. And the liquid is buttermilk. So now all you have to do is separate this by using a cheesecloth, squeeze out as much of the liquid as you can, and rinse off the milk solids, squeeze it again, and then you have butter. But let's see if this actually tastes like the regular store-bought butter we know and love. It spreads on just like butter, because it is butter, I guess, right? Add some nice flaky salt. If I was blindfolded, I don't even know if I would taste the difference. So is this store-bought butter or is this homemade butter?
I think it's store है. Creamy लगा मुझे. I don't know homemade कैसा है. ये मुझे लग रहा है homemade थोड़ा वो creamy था. देखो आप. आपने आंखें बंद की हैं.
And which one tastes better?
ये ठीक लगा मुझे.
The second one is the homemade one.
I'm your mom.
Okay, see if you can taste this without salt. So this is just by itself.
होममेड जो ऑलवेज गुड है. ये अब जब जाओ ना पाकिस्तान अब नेक्स्ट टाइम आओ वहाँ पे रियल जाके जैसे बटर निकलता है आप देखो कितना अच्छा निकलता है. वेरी नाइस.
It's good, yeah.